Okay, so let x1 and x2 be a random sample of size n equals to 2 from an exponential distribution with PDF as given. So we need to find the probability of part A. So how are we going to do this? Now, before I start, I'm going to tell you why I'm going to do this the way it's supposed to be done. So why is it that? Basically, x1 and x2, they are samples. So they are taken from the same population, which has the PDF of 2e to the power of negative 2x. So x1 and x2, they have the same PDF, basically, because they were taken from the same population. So now we can understand what we're going to do. So what we're going to do for part A is the integral 2 times the integral of 0.5 all the way to 1 of e to the negative 2x. All I did was I took out the 2 and put it before the integral because it's the same thing. So that's what I did. 2x1 dx1 times 2 times the integral from 0.7 to 1.2 of e to the negative 2x2 dx2. And after calculation, that you would get 0.0363. And we need to find now part B, the expected value of x1 times x2 minus 0.5 times 2. So what we're going to do now is, this is part A. Part B now. Okay, now what we're going to do is, we are going to get x1 by itself. So we're going to have, remember, we are now going to use this interval 0 to infinity. So we're going to have 0 to infinity x, because it's an expected value, so we're going to have x, or I should say instead x1 times 2 e to the negative 2 x1 dx1 times integral from 0 to infinity of x2 times 2 e to the negative 2 x2 times x2 minus 5 squared dx2. And after calculation, you would get 0.125. So guys, now let me explain again what I did. Because x1 and x2 are taken from, they are sample, and so they are taken from the same PDF, from the same population, same distribution, so they have the same distribution here. All you have to do is, instead of x, you put x1 and x2, and then now you can do the calculation for the probability and the expected value of them. So that's what I did here. I hope you guys understood what I did, and I hope now you can do yours and see how easy it could be. So thank you guys for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed, and other than that, have a good day. Bye.